Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin with safety and positioning. Turn the Viking Emerald 116 off, raise the needle to its highest point, and lift the presser foot so tension releases. Wind a bobbin, place it in the bobbin case, and make sure it spins freely. This prevents uneven stitches. Next, put your spool on the pin and follow the top thread path down through the tension discs. This controls thread tension. Once done, bring the thread toward the take-up lever to continue threading. Now focus on precise routing. Guide the upper thread through the take-up lever from front to back so it moves with the needle. This ensures consistent stitch formation. Then bring the thread down through the small needle bar guide and thread the needle from front to back. This orientation matches machine timing. Hold the upper thread gently and slowly hand-turn the flywheel toward you until the needle drops and rises, which pulls the bobbin thread up. Make sure both threads finish by setting stitch length and lowering the presser foot, then test on scrap fabric to confirm stitch quality. This validates your setup. If you see skipped stitches, adjust upper tension slightly toward higher numbers or verify bobbin is inserted correctly. The bobbin thread direction matters. If thread breaks or jams, rethread the upper path and clean lint from the bobbin area. Finally, oil pivot points per the manual if stiffness persists. Regular cleaning prevents most threading issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.